The mystery of the green bananas hidden by fried food vendors. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever bought fried bananas on the side of the road and been curious? By the way, with the help of a microscope, we can see the clear and closest details of the surface of the outer skin of the green Kepok banana. Deliberately sliced thinly to be able to see the details, and the white color is the thinnest slice, and there is red pigment, and there is also pale green. The red pigment indicates that the banana is overripe in some Kepok bananas. Why is it that the bananas I use are always the ones with thick green skin and a flat, boat-like shape? Why not use those other, sweet, yellow bananas? Well, the banana that is the main star of this fried food has a name, green Kepok banana, and despite its simple appearance, it might even be considered unripe. There are hidden secrets that make him a kitchen champion. Today, we'll reveal everything, from the origins of his unique name, to the scientific reason why black spots on the skin are actually a good sign. Let's begin the adventure. Look, there are black dots or black spots among the red pigments. First, let's get acquainted. Where does the name Kepok come from? It turns out the exact story is somewhat obscured by time. What is clear is that Kepok has become the official name for the variety in Indonesia. This is a thick slice taken, and it looks like the skin is indeed green, plus there are green spots and some black ones are found. Now we find that the skin of the Kepok banana is starting to turn yellow with red and black spots. Kepok bananas are included in the plantain or processed banana group, whose DNA, ABB genome, makes them different from ordinary sweet bananas. So where does it come from? It's not an immigrant from a distant continent. The Kepok banana is a native of tropical Southeast Asia. In the Philippines, it's called saba or cardaba. In Malaysia, it's called unripe banana. And in Indonesia, we have superior varieties like Kepok Tanjung from Maluku and Kepok Gresik from East Kalimantan. So, it's truly our local treasure. But here's the main question. Why is it green? Does that mean it's not ripe and not good enough? Well, that's the first mystery we're going to solve. That green color is actually nature's secret code. It's a sign that the banana is in defense mode. It's full of starch, like rice or potatoes. It has very little sugar. Its texture is super dense and firm, and that's why it's the best weapon against hot oil. Its high starch and low water content make it less likely to crumble, less likely to become mushy, and less likely to absorb oil. The result? A super crispy outer skin, and a soft but still firm inside. So, the green color is not a drawback, but rather its biggest advantage for processing. But wait, what's the point of turning yellow? What's going on inside her body? Hold on to your curiosity, because we'll get to her miraculous transformation after this short break. So, we've left the brave green one alone. Now, what happens if we leave it alone for a few days? Its skin will slowly start to yellow. This isn't just a color change, folks. It's a chemical revolution inside. As the banana turns yellow, it goes into dessert mode. The enzymes in the fruit start working hard to convert the accumulated starch into sugar. The water content increases slightly. These black spots, many people see them and immediately think, "Oh, this is starting to rot." And we are wrong. Let's differentiate between these two types of spots. First, spots on the green skin. If black or brown spots appear while the banana is still very green and are scattered like small spots, this is likely a symptom of a fungal disease called freckle disease. But secondly, and this is the big secret, the brown spots or patches on the banana skin that are already yellow, these are sugar spots. This is the peak of ripeness. These spots appear because the sugar concentration in the fruit is already very high. So, that's the full story of the kitchen hero, the green Kepok banana. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to follow our exciting adventures. See you in the next video.